In this question, all we're asked to do is simplify. In order to do this, when we have two fractions, we need to factorize first of all, see what we can cancel to simplify. What we don't want to do here is start multiplying everything out, because we're just going to have to work backwards then. Okay, so I'm going to treat these as four different expressions. The first one I recognize as the difference of two squares, and if you're either got Carnot. So to factorize, I have x plus 2 and x minus 2. On the bottom, when I factorize, all I can do is take out what's common to both terms, which is y. When I take y out, I'm left with 3y plus 1. For the second fraction, the first type of factorizing I'm going to do is, again, taking out what's common, which is y. I'll be left with 3y squared minus 2y minus 1. I'll have to factorize this further. And on the bottom, I have a quadratic expression, so I can factorize, opening two brackets, factors of x squared in first, so x and x, factors of minus 6, minus 3, and plus 2. I've chosen them because minus 3x plus 2x gives me 1x, which is my term in the middle. So I know I factorized correctly. So I'm just going to simplify. In this step, because I'm multiplying the fraction on the left and the right, I can therefore take out what's common on the top and the bottom. So at the moment, what's common is x plus 2. So the only reason I can cancel is because I'm multiplying the two fractions. So x plus 2 over x plus 2 is really 1, and that's why I can cancel. We need to make sure that we understand this and we don't just cancel things left, right, and center without really understanding why. So that's all I can do at the moment until I factorize again. So on the left, just writing out what I'm left with. And now on the right, I need to factorize 3y squared minus 2y minus 1. So again, it's quadratic. So we have 3y and y. The factors of minus 1 are just plus 1 and minus 1. So all I need to do is make sure I put the plus 1 and the minus 1 in the right position, so I'm left with minus 2y in the middle. So I'm going to make this minus and this plus, because when I multiply the inside 2, I get 1y. When I multiply the outside 2, I get minus 3y, which when I add or subtract, I get minus 2y. So I know I'm correct. And the bottom, I just had x minus 3. So again, looking at what I can cancel. Now 3y plus 1, I can also cancel the y. So my final answer, I get x minus 2, x minus 1 over x minus 3, and I'm done.